beautiful beings around the world. Now we are here, really excited to share something new and different. And this time we are here with the Kirlian technology, the GTB technology of Dr. Korotkov from Russia. And in this video we're going to share something that we did in the last 8-day process here in San Francisco, California, in Bolinas, like 2 weeks ago. In this experiment, we use this technology to measure people, participants of the process before and after, and to see the changes in their energy field and the changes in their life force, in the physical body and the mental and emotional body. But now, to explain you better all this technology, how it works, and what we can see through these diagrams that we're going to see here, we have Frank Laros, a practitioner of this technology, and he came from the Netherlands to accompany us in this experiment and measure the participants of the 8-day process to see how the changes in their energy field manifest.
So what the equipment do is bringing a magnetic electronic field who measures the photons around your fingers. So here you can see then the picture from the fingers from one kind of person. So he puts the 10 fingers in it, and what I can see is the energy field of the mental, emotional field and the physical field, because we have a physical body. Around the physical body we have an emotional field, and around the emotional field we have a mental field. What we can measure also is the energy of the organs, because in the right thumb you can measure the cortex or the cerebral zone, left and right eye, left ear, nose and right ear and nose, the sinus holes, jaw teeth on the right, jaw teeth on the left, but also the throat, larynx, trachea and thyroid gland. That's just from the right thumb. And every finger, you can see, have a different scale. So that's a very advanced software program which Korotkov developed to measure completely the organs of a human body and the energy field of it. What you see here in the above scale are the measurements before. This is the mental emotional scale. This is the physical scale. These are the measurements, the first above, from before the 8-day process, and below you see the measurements of after the 8-day process. This is a person, average number of the energy field is between the 17 and 22,000. It's just a number to compare. You see here that the energy was 19,546. And after the 8-day process it was 23,751. That means an increase from more than 4,000 points on a mental, emotional level. On a physical level it will develop with 1,800 points. And that's a lot.
We can see also the size of the chakras before and after.
So now you can see some example. The fainted chakras are the chakras from before, and the clear chakras you can see that they are the chakras from after the 8-day process. And what you see, you can see over here the different sizes. So the faint black line over here, there are the what normally should be the size of the chakras. You can see that all the chakras are developing within the 8-day process. Within 8 days, it's really good. They get big and aligned. So this is a big example from what the 8-day process can do for us.
Here we are seeing increases of energy in the physical, mental and emotional aspects. This increase of energy is happening because we are breathing more. Through the 8-day process we share breathing sessions And these sessions amplify our capacity to take advantage of the cosmic energy through the breath. And that openness to the cosmic energy and breathing consciously is what creates this expansion of the energy field and the alignment of the chakras.
Since what I experienced after the 8-day process, that my joints and also my body was far more flexible than before and during the process. I have a artificial hip, and I had some problems with my hip, but after the 8-day process I didn't have any problems with it, and I am very flexible to do all kind of movements with my hip, which is really an artificial one, but it's okay now. And I'm still now 1 week or 2 weeks after the 8-day process, so it's
I didn't know
I
this.
really find it amazing. The red line is from before the 8-day process, then the green line over here is from after the 8-day process. And you can see that it really aligned a lot. The red line is from before and the green line is after that, and you can see that the green line is easily almost around very good development for this person. Before the 8-day process there are some gaps. His energy was about 18,600, and after the 8-day process it was 28,200. So it's an increase from 9,600, and that's really amazing. You can see really good the results of the energy field over here. His physical energy field did increase from 22,100 to 28,000, so it's increases with 7,000. The energy field of his male side on a mental emotional scale did increase with from 90,300 to 26,900, so it's an increase of 7,600 points. And his physical energy field did increase with it's about 4,700. If you see his female side, did increase with 9,800 points.
Wow.
And his physical energy field with almost 7,000.
Wow.
So it's a big increase for this person.
Life force, that means the amount of energy, the force of life energy that your body is holding to exist in this life experience.
Yeah. And you?
So this means also that when we increase our energy, the way how we are doing it, see, one thing that I have always noticed in the people that do the process is that after the process they all rejuvenate. They start a process of rejuvenation, and their body becomes shape in the shape that is more integrated for them, the shape that is the best for them, and a clear process of rejuvenation, and like the slowness of the aging process. And this is something that we can see here, because if we recognize that this participant increased his energy around 9,000 points, that means that he increased 9,000 more points of life force in his body. That means that will give him at least 1, 2, 3 or 5 more years of life.
Yeah. Yeah.
It has the capacity to extend the life existence of the body, because now you have more life force energy in the body to thrive,
Yeah.
to be healthy, to rejuvenate. The body is healthy, strong, because it has more energy. Yeah, is it? Because we are seeing also how the organs return to their ideal state, yeah?
Yeah.
Because the organs also hold information, charge of energy. So when we have strong experiences or we live in a stressful life, that information is in the organs of the body. And that is what causes to the body the illness, when you don't release that energy from the organs. But just by breathing and just relaxing us and experiencing also the ability to don't eat, we also allow even greater quantities of energy, more energy to flow, because there is not the energy being utilized in the digestion process. So instead of using that energy into our digestion process, that energy builds. And at the same time, we are breathing consciously more energy through the Ede process, and that is what releases, sweeps, cleans the charge of energy in the organs. So the organs naturally release all that tension, that stress, and then they relax and they heal at that way.